Right, happy people, how you're doing? It's your boy Lyrics, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to rectify this problem on Instagram. Well, when you try to like a post and you get this notification, or when you try to add someone or something like that and you get this notification. Alright, first thing first, you want to close everything and then you go to settings on your phone. You go to settings and you look for apps. This one here, this apps here. So we'll click on apps and then we'll look for Instagram. And then in this one here, internal storage, you need to click on internal storage. Then you click capture first, the lower one, and then you clear the top one to delete the data. And after doing so, now we want to go back to Instagram again. Click on that, and then now you need to log in. What that actually does, it clears everything. And now we'll go back here. You can do so again. You don't get this notification like we got before. You see, it's going great. Alright, that's where we end this tutorial today. If this helped you, please don't forget to comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so you don't miss other tutorials. Alright, have a nice day, y'all. Bless.